Hello Bachchu. Today we will make a parrot. So first take your drawing copy. Open a fresh new page and put today's date on the top of the page. Take your pencil and eraser. Make sure that your pencil is sharp but not very pointed. No need to write the topic name, that is, parrot, on the top of the page. If you have taken all the necessary things I have asked you to take, so let's get started. Before beginning to draw, I want to tell you that you must draw with a very light hand. No need to draw it very dark. I have drawn a little more dark, so that you all can see clearly, but you should not do so. Make sure to draw very lightly. Make sure to draw in the same way as I am drawing. very carefully. Look at each and every point like its beak, tail, wings, eye, branch on which it is sitting, leaves on the branch, etc. Also look the posture in which the parrot is sitting. Look very carefully each line, each point in each curve, and wherever you feel anything wrong, correct it. Now I will correct all my mistakes and you have to correct yours. See, I have completed all my mistakes and now it is looking very beautiful. You must also look the same. In the next class we will color it. Thank you, bachcho.